Karen's engine has been running for half an hour, and it's been a beautiful, fabulous night. Like, I've got a new boat, and you can see the water running here, as beautiful as anything.
All that oil.
Yeah, well, but it's time to let her rest now, so we're gonna turn the key off. And as I said, this all started with my friend Mark. The hatch was open and he dropped his glasses in, and that's time. So when he went in to get his glasses and started fiddling around, all of a sudden we decided to play with the key, because I said the boat hasn't been running since September, and miraculously the boat started, and so he's magic. Must have done something right in another life. It's been a great day. All right, so here we go. We're turning it off.
Yay.
Done! Yay! Woo! Thank you. Thank you.
Cool. The end.